everyone, since we want to spend as much time the Friday before we actually check into our hotel, just enjoying family time and spending time together as a family, we tried to do as much pre-shopping for the vacation today while we were out getting our groceries. So let me try and show you a couple things we picked up from Walmart that were clothing and travel-wise for our vacation. Here is a quick look at everything. There's some bags off to the side. I'm also gonna be doing a separate Dollar Tree haul, but I wanted to kind of separate them out because some things we get at Dollar Tree every time, sometimes we don't. But like, I just wanted to make them separate because some people like the Walmart and some people just like Dollar Tree. So you see bags over here, that's not Walmart. This is Walmart right here. We actually have not tried these Buggable Citronella wristbands yet. Our thought is once we open them, if they are too strong for our kids, like too close to their face, have them on their wrist, we're gonna have them wear them as anklets. And this is kind of like just a less of a spray on bug spray for the kids to have to wear while we're doing hiking on the trip. So we're gonna try them out. If we don't like them, we'll just trash them, put them in a Ziploc and take them, you know, put them in a Ziploc on the trail and then take them with us back to the hotel and trash them there and just not use them. But we just want to try them out and see, you know, if they work or anything like that. And I think also like there might be a way to reuse these to not have to trash them every time. I'm going to look into that. If you 100% know for sure, definitely let us know in the comments. Next thing down also for skincare is the Beach Defense. Yeah, the Defense, yeah, the Beach. Sorry, in my camera, like that little dot right there, I'm almost made it look like an R after it. The Beach Defense Water and Sun, because we're going to be doing water and hiking at the same time. We decided to go ahead and do the Beach Defense ones. We always do 50 or higher. This is 70, so that makes me happy because one of ours is extremely sensitive to sunburns. So I wanted to go ahead and pick 2 of those up. We had some left of the Neutrogena. It has been our preferred brand since our cruise 4 years ago. It was like our go-to brand then. It was the least, there was the one that everybody had the least kind of skin reaction to or anything. So it's just kind of what we've switched to for now. So these are the ones that we picked out for this trip though. Again, I'll add it to the other ones we have. Some of the ones we have are not Beach Defense and we'll try those out as well. Also, we picked up a tube of the Crest 3D White. I have personally switched to using that because it works really well on coffee stains, and I drink at least 1 cup of coffee a day, sometimes more. But I have also found that when we're traveling, this works really well for the kids and it doesn't bother them. Like if a toothpaste is too strong, I figure it's also something in it that probably they shouldn't, you know, really have yet. But all the kids are old enough to really use adult toothpaste anyways. So I have found that using this, letting the kids use it just for vacation kind of helps when we're eating a little bit more junk food or, you know, having things that we don't normally do, because it does put like a protective layer on your teeth for 24 hours, it says on there. So we only buy these for travel purposes, and I'm going to do a separate video on it. There are some things we buy travel size of and some we don't. For a family of 5 for a week, we needed a whole tube, so we went ahead and picked up 1. We also went ahead and picked up some body powder. We use that. Sometimes we'll put shoes in bags with it. Sometimes we actually use it for post, you know, skincare from hiking and being out in the hot, humid southern sun. So we picked up another one of those. We also pick up travel Tums every time we go, just in case we have any upset tummies while we're gone. I prefer these I do get travel size of because we usually don't use that many. Also, we have 3 things of deodorant. That's for 3 separate people. I'll explain in the video why we buy travel size of that and not that. But we picked up 3 of the travel ones for the 3 people who needed it. So here onto clothing. My teen found this in the No Boundaries section. Some of these you can feel them and they're super soft and they're comfy. And then some of them, like, that have the prints on them, they're scratchy and stiff. These were some of the super soft, super flexible ones, and they're capris and they're butterflies, which our theme for this trip is definitely butterflies. So we did a lot of butterfly theming for this. You'll see more of that theming as we do more vacation videos and prep videos. But butterflies was definitely a theme for us. When she found these were a must-have for her. And this one, the last Walmart haul you saw us do, they have these new midi length skirts for the younger tweens, older kids section of Walmart, like the 6 to 10 year olds. And well, actually it goes up to like 14. It actually goes up to size 18, but we found that like my teenager can't wear up to size 18. So this one is a 14-16 because we did find she liked those. But the reason we love these so much, if you didn't see our other video, is they have built-in shorts in them. And I told her that once we got the ones that we bought last time, piece of dust. Once we got the ones we bought last time, washed at least one of them and dried it and see if, you know, they shrink or any kind of damage to the clothes like that or anything. We would compare them, and if they didn't shrink, we would get more and then we would try them out. And the last ones did not shrink and they fit exactly the way she wanted to for, and this is like something she wears for casual athletic. And she loved that they had the diagonal stripes. She doesn't like these side-to-side stripes, so she liked that it had the diagonal stripes on it. And bonus for me is that it had shorts already built into it. And I don't think it took any longer to dry like this kind of piece than it did if we had put like a midi skirt and shorts in the washer at this, or in the dryer at the same time. This is one thing that my teen found in the kids department. This was an 1820, which the 1820s in Justice seemed to fit her, like her junior size style that she wears, and it had like a pretty design on it. She's normally not my pink fan, but she actually really liked this one. So this is going to be an extra shirt for her. I don't know if she's wearing it on the day of, or she's taking it as an extra shirt, or if she's wearing it when she gets back. So we were kind of needing to do that. Also for her and for myself, they had like these no boundaries. They're just lightweight shirts and they're like $7. So we figured $7, if we get something on it for one trip, it's not as big of a huge cost, and it's something we could wear like around the house. If we get something that you don't want to wear like out of the house, it can become like an around the house t-shirt. So she picked out the heather gray one, and I picked out the hunter green because I didn't have a lot of green. I had a lot of blues, reds, and browns, and I wanted something green to go with a gray midi skirt. It's about the color of this darker stripe here. So I mean, imagine those together. I just thought it would look different and be kind of nice to have a green offset from all the browns and pinks and blues that I'm going to be wearing, and reds. And yes, my teen found a Pokemon shirt, and I like that it has subtle tie-dye. It's not like massive spirally tie-dye. It's just like subtle hints of tie-dye, and the scrunchie matches Pikachu and the shirt itself. So she really, all of my kids are Pokemon fans, and they loved seeing that there was a girls style shirt. I mean, you can tell it's cut like a girl style shirt in the women's department that had Pokemon on it. So I went ahead and picked that one up for her as well. And this one is also for my teen, and she prefers to have sleeves on, so we don't, it was kind of like an iffy, but we also have like some lightweight cardigans she can wear with it. It has a tie on the back of the neck, so, but it also is like one of those, like if it comes untied, it's not going to be a complete disaster because it should also still stay on fairly well. But it kind of had like just a nice summer print to it. It was a summer lightweight dress. I don't think, yeah, it doesn't have pockets, but it was just like a lightweight summer dress to add to her dinner wear for the trip. So that's it for our Walmart haul. Again, you saw the bags kind of in the background. We are going to do a separate Dollar Tree haul. Again, I know some of you only watch the Walmart and some of you prefer the Dollar Tree, and I kind of did a little bit of both, and I kind of want to talk a little bit more about things that we specifically buy for travel from Dollar Tree and do that. And then I'm going to do a separate video of, because I found out, you know, some people are like, why'd you buy this size travel and this one not? So I may do a video maybe after travel, because I don't want to do too many pre-travel videos before you see the actual travel videos, but I may do one after travel of why we buy certain things in travel size and things that we don't buy in travel size. But that's it for this video and for the clothing haul. So we're gonna get all of that packed away because we're waiting on a couple, we had to wait to get a couple of those things today before we finish packing some of the suitcases. That's it for this part, and thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time.